What is going on YouTube? It is your boy Nick, and I'd like to start off this video by thanking everyone who supported my channel so far. Some of you probably recognize this old thing. So back in November 2018, I made a video on how to use your mouse and keyboard with your Xbox One. And we hit over 1.4 million views on that video. So that being said, it's May 2020 and I wanted to remake that video and show you guys step by step how to use your mouse and keyboard with your Xbox One. Let's get right into it. So to start things off, no adapters are required in order to do this. By default, mouse and keyboard is completely plug and play with the Xbox One. So I'd like to let you guys all know that this works across all of the Xbox One series platforms. That means it will work with your original Xbox One, Xbox One S, and the Xbox One X. All you really need to do is plug it into one of the two slots in the back of your Xbox, and then you should be up and running. I know some of you may be using an external hard drive to save your games, so you could pick up a USB hub just like this one on Amazon for under $10 if you need the additional ports. And then you can use that to plug it into the front of your console if you need it. And I'd also like to note that this only works with games that are specifically made for crossplay and Microsoft approved mouse and keyboard compatibility. I will make sure to give you guys a list of games that are compatible in the description below. So some of you might still be running into the issue where your mouse is not registering when you're starting up the game and getting things ready to go. You have your mouse and keyboard plugged into your Xbox and you're able to maneuver around the Xbox guide. But just to let you know, some games like Call of Duty Modern Warfare or Warzone, for example, will still require you to start your game with the controller. All you have to do from there is press A on your controller to make sure that you get signed into the game, and from there you can move your mouse and you'll notice your mouse pointer will show up on the screen ready to go. And also, if you're still in a situation where it's not working but you can see the mouse pointer working in the main screen, make sure to check the options, and from there you can completely set up all of your key bindings and so on and so forth with your mouse and keyboard to play exactly the way you want to play. But if you do find yourself having some troubles getting yourself set up, I'll be showing you how to use the Xbox Insider Hub app in order to troubleshoot your problems and make sure that everything's up and running exactly how you need it. So from your home menu, head down to the Microsoft Store, go down to search, and type in Xbox Insider. Press on the app, give it a second to load, install it, and then launch it right up. You'll then have some options on your left-hand side. Hit Insider Content, go all the way to the right for Xbox One Update Preview, and then hit Manage. If you don't see Manage there, you may need to hit Install and then restart your console for it to pop up. Once you hit Manage, you'll have these options. Select the Xbox One Update Preview Omega. From there, hit Done. Go back to your home menu and then launch up a game, like in this case, Warzone. We're gonna hit the practice modes, and see if everything works. And as you can see, we're up and running. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a like and also hit the comment section if you have any additional questions. I'll be more than willing to help you guys out in any way that I can. Make sure to also hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any future content that I post. I will see you guys next time. Peace.